Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk it through how to take voice notes on iPhone. Here are the steps to take voice notes on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Open the Voice Memos app, red and black microphone icon. Tap the red record button at the bottom to start recording. Speak clearly into the microphone. Your voice will be captured. While recording, you can pause by tapping the pop up menu, then tapping the pause button. Tap resume to continue recording. When finished, tap the stop button or tap done square icon. Your recording will automatically be saved under all recordings. To play it back, tap the recording to play it back. Tap the three dots for more options like edit, duplicate, or delete. Tap edit recording, then tap the three dots to trim or enhance your voice memo if needed. And then tap done. To share your recording, tap the three dots, then tap the share icon and choose mail, messages, airdrop, or other apps. You can rename your voice memo by tapping the default name and typing a new one. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.